y'all, so today's video I'll be showing y'all how to make your own hand sanitizer. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So first you're going to need an empty container for your hand sanitizer. Then you're going to need a syringe to put the liquid in the bottle. Then you're going to need a plastic bowl to mix your stuff. Then you're going to need a utensil to mix all the stuff together. Then you're going to need fragrance if you want. Then you're going to need aloe vera gel. Then you're going to need rubbing alcohol. Then you're going to need a powder if you want a color. So first you're going to take the aloe vera gel and you're going to put as much as you think you will need for your certain size container you have into the plastic bowl. Then you're going to take the rubbing alcohol, but you're not going to put too much of it because then it will be too runny, and I want my sanitizer to be a little bit thick. So I'm just going to fill it at the bottom of the bowl. So then once you do that, you're going to get a pair of scissors, and then you're going to add your powder if you have one into the bowl. And you want to get as much as you think you'll need so it can turn to that color. So once you have your powder in there, you're going to go ahead and stir it with your utensil and make sure everything is well mixed so it can come to as a thick consistency and the color will be fully. So after I was finished stirring, I decided to add more powder into my hand sanitizer. So if you want to, you can go back and do that and then stir it back. I can't say the color didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it. It was more so a pink undertone and like the color was just looking red. But overall, it basically looked like a strawberry, and that's what I was going for. So it was still, you know, cute. So you have a fragrance, you're going to go ahead and add that. And I used this Beautiful Day perfume and just sprayed it a couple of times. And I can say the alcohol was just so strong that the perfume basically didn't work as much. Because I even sprayed more off camera of different scents on top of the same one I used. So I'm completely done with my mixture. And now I'm going to try to put it in the bottle with a syringe. So as you can see, I used the smaller one, but it didn't really work for me as much because I guess I didn't have a pipette and I didn't want to waste a pipette for hand sanitizer. So I switched to my bigger syringe. It did work a little bit better. So here's my bigger pipette, and as you can see, this one is kind of better because the shorter one has a shorter like tube on the end of it, and then the bigger one has a bigger tube on the end, so it kind of fits all the way into the bottle like I want it to. So it did squirt out a little bit easier. But you guys, that's basically the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a really good hand sanitizer. I actually do use this. Use this when it is necessary, especially if you can't find hand sanitizer in stores. Get the ingredients to make it. But yeah, y'all, this virus going around, you really need it. Keep your hands clean, wash them, use hand sanitizer, and you know, just wrap up. But I hope you guys like this video. If you want to make this, you can. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.